Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to try to make this video short and sweet. I know I have a problem rambling on, but here we go. You might have noticed from the intro in the last couple of videos, and you probably noticed from all the banners on the channel, that Vetruski Travels is no more. It's dissolved, it's split up, it's gone its way. Now, don't worry, me and the wife are fine now. I know the family members, especially the brother, Michael, you douche. I know that pisses them off to no end, and I'm pretty sure that's why they watch my channel, because I'm pretty sure they would love to watch me come in here and say, boo-hoo, we're getting a divorce, we separated. Sorry, that's not happening. We are happy. As a matter of fact, I've been trying to catch her for the past couple of days to sit down and do this, but she's either had her nose in the book, she's been out in the garden, and you know, she wants to be cleaned up and fresh, and she's been working. She's working at 2 hospitals now because she's got that other license that she's working on. She has the test for that coming up, so she's been kind of stressed studying that and working her tail off here. So, but we are fine. So why did I decide to get rid of Vetruski Travels? Because I decided that when we do travel, I'm not going to vlog it. I'm not going to make it I'm not going to make this a travel channel. Basically, through the travels that we've had, like when I went to Panama, I was just starting to get pissed off. I'm trying to take pictures for Instagram with the cell phone. I have this DSLR to take longer pictures way out there. I'm out here with the GoPro vlogging stuff, and it just gets aggravating, to be honest. Even when I go camping, I got to worry about taking the GoPro. Is the battery charged? Do I have the memory card? Do I have my laptop? Sitting in the RV, editing for a while. It's not a vacation for me. It's work. And that's not what I'm trying to do. I want to enjoy my time. Like, we have a camping trip coming up, and I'm not going to vlog it. We're going to go travel. We have several campsites. We're going to kind of do like a loop. And we're just going to go out there and enjoy it. I'm not bring in all this camera gear, and I'm not going to film it. I just want to enjoy it. And also, I don't know when we are going to actually travel. You know, she put a lot of time and money and effort to get this next license to go up in her field. So she wants to utilize it and put some money in the bank. And I don't blame her. You know, I was thinking, because like right now my cruise, then the SS and the Camaro, they're all about to be paid for here in a very short period of time by the end of the year. It's going to be nice, man. Get that monkey off my back, and then I'll have some money and we can get that engine fixed in the 50th. So, yeah. Where was I? I lost my train of thought here. But as far as like traveling, when we do travel and that, oh, that's what I was saying. We're not going to be, I don't know when we are going to travel full time, but when we do, I don't want to vlog it. I don't want to share everything. I just want to enjoy my vacations, my travel, my stuff. Now, when this happens, I know there's several people I'm good friends with. I've met you in person. I'm more than happy to share my personal Facebook page with you. We can stay in touch that way. But that's really only going to be people that I've met in person, and I feel comfortable sharing that stuff with you. Sorry, Sparty Nation, I would definitely share with you. You've been around a really long time. I really wish you'd email me. The email's in my description, so that way I know how to contact you other than through here, and you pop up at random times. It's hard to keep up with you. But yeah, so that's it. I don't want to do the travel stuff. I know there's like young kids out there. They want to YouTube it. They have the energy for it. They need the money from it to continue their travels. I have my military retirement. She's putting some money aside, so we should be good. Now, where do we go from here? If this maybe kind of gives you an idea, maybe even the past few videos, I'm just looking to lock in one type of content and focus on that so people can know what to expect out of here. So I'm just going to do RC car stuff. I'm going to drive it, break it, fix it, modify it, hopefully review some stuff. It'd be really cool. I really would love to get the channel to a point where companies like Traxxas or Arma, Losi send me brand new stuff to review before it's released to the public. That would be absolutely phenomenal. So hopefully maybe we get to that point that I'll be reviewing great stuff. But now I got into the RC plane. We got some new cars, and I'm really in love with the hobby. So that's what I'm gonna spend my time in. No more life stuff, no more trips to Walmart, no more anything. But don't worry, my wife will make an appearance here and there. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna catch her screaming at me when stuff shows up in the mail. But yeah, so she'll still be around. She'll poke her head in, I'm sure, every once in a while. Guys let you know that she's still here. And but that's what I look forward to doing. It's just RC car content. So I hope you understand. I hope everybody's not upset about that. This is kind of reverse. I thought everybody'd be upset, and some were when I went to Vetruski Travels. And honestly, even my wife didn't like the name, and I thought this would be easier in L to the W, telling people it's L to the W with the number 2 versus Vetruski. People were like Ruski. They didn't understand Ruski. I don't understand how you not know that Ruski is Russian. But matter of fact, you know what I've been wanting to do? I got that cool neon sign, the L to the W sign. I want to put it in here somewhere by Dope Neons. Check out the link down below too, because man, you can get you a cool sign made up with your name, your logo, whatever you want. They even have pre-made stuff, but I'm gonna move that out here because I want that in my background, like in my bedroom. I'll still keep the Vetruski. It's a name I came up with. It's a design. I have that neon sign going in my bedroom. You'll see whenever I film in it, you'll still see it. But yeah, for now on, it's just gonna go back to L to the W. Cars, coffee, life. RC cars and coffee. And maybe not so much life stuff, but yeah. So I know some people look forward to some of the real car stuff, but that's where we're at. So hope you understand, and hopefully we'll see you on the next video of me breaking, crashing, fixing something in an RC car. So thanks for watching. I hope you understand.